Well, we are back to talk about that forecast with meteorologist Mario Ruiz. Today is beautiful. Monday's the best day of the week, according to her.
Best day of the week, in my opinion.
Yes,
you might think it's tomorrow because it's a little warmer tomorrow, but today it's sunny. The humidity is the lowest it'll be all week. The winds are going to be light. The high is only 80.
No storms.
No storms. Yeah, so again, today, my pick of the week.
Yes.
We're going to see some changes, though, in the next few days. So let's get right into it. We are looking at, again, a really nice day out there. 70 degrees from our University of North Texas cam. And we are looking at a blue sky. So here's what you need to know. After today, again, sunny, warm, dry, we've got daily storm chances. They begin Tuesday night going into Wednesday and last through early next week. The severe weather threat is low, but it's not zero. So we still have to address that. We still have to keep a watchful eye on our skies every day the rest of the week. 72 degrees right now at DFW Airport, light east wind at about 5 miles per hour. The high today makes it to 80 in Denton, 79 in Decatur, 78 for Gainesville, McKinney at 79. 81 in Fort Worth, and 80 in Dallas. This is still trending about 3 degrees warmer than what's considered normal for this time of the year. Now, tomorrow, warmer. 85 degrees. That's all thanks to a south wind helping drive up the temperatures, but it's also helping increase the humidity. You may feel it over the next couple of days. It feels a little bit more muggy, and you may even see more cloud cover on your Tuesday. But come Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, temperature closer to normal. It's because we'll have added rain and cloud cover. Those changes that I was telling you about, they could get here as early as Tuesday, late in the day going into Tuesday night. 50 to 60% coverage, so higher coverage of rain Wednesday, Thursday, and on Friday. Let's get right to it. This is what it looks like as we approach Tuesday night. We have a dry line in West Texas that's going to eventually develop thunderstorms. This happens Tuesday afternoon. If those storms hold together, they could make it into western North Texas after sunset. Around midnight, these storms will continue to work their way closer towards Denton, maybe Tarrant County. And after that, these storms really start to fizzle out. By around 5 in the morning on Wednesday, the coverage will be pretty low. I only have 30% coverage of rain Tuesday night. But some of the outflows of these storms could very well help develop additional activity Wednesday afternoon. Look at this. This is Wednesday around 5 in the afternoon. Areas to the east and to the southeast of DFW could very well see some additional development. At this point, really difficult to pinpoint exactly where these storms are going to pop up. And these storms could contain some small hail and winds gusting up to about 60 miles per hour. Is it severe weather for everyone? Absolutely not. The threat is very low. And the difference with this system compared to this past weekend's is that this is lacking the ingredient that makes storms spin. That could change, so keep checking back in. But right now, the threat looks lower than what it did this past Saturday. I'm going to take you now to Thursday. Thursday, 7 in the morning, we start out dry but cloudy. Coverage of rain looks to go up, though. This is still going to be pretty low in terms of severe weather threat. But at this point, then we're watching for some heavy rainfall to move in Thursday night going into Friday. And that's when we could see the potential for a flood concern. This thins out throughout the morning on Friday. More rounds of rain Saturday, more on Sunday. Over the next 5 days, though, it does look like we could pick up a good inch of rainfall. Not everyone sees an inch. However, some areas could see isolated higher amounts up to about 2 inches, especially east of DFW, where the storms will likely center themselves really over the next several days. Today, beautiful, 80 degrees and sunshine, 85 on Tuesday with a little more cloud cover, and then we'll see rain chances go up middle part of the week to the end of the week and this weekend. Highs close to about 80 degrees, and we are looking at that sticking around through early parts of next week. Overall, it's pretty unsettled as we approach the end of April. All right.